Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be playing some Adopt Me, and today I'm going to be aging up my tiger here because I'm trying to make a mega. So I already made this full grown neon, and this is almost full grown, so we're gonna keep growing it up. And I'm gonna quickly give you an inventory tour of my pets. So I've got the dragon from the lunar update, my diamond egg, these two are from the mythical egg, and I have all the mythical pets from the lunar update, the last Halloween update, the ocean egg, another ocean egg, the Aussie egg, you could just get these unicorns still, bees from the honeypots, ocean egg, Star Rewards, and then I got a Halloween dog, a hydra from the mythical, a panda and a koala. They're both my little favourites. And I also have a panda outfit which I'm gonna wear. Where is it? It's here somewhere. There it is. I know I spelled panda wrong. It's because I had to. What the heck has happened to my arms? I am definitely not wearing that outfit because my arms are just looking really weird, so I'm just going to wear this one. Let me just check this one. What's this one? Oh yeah, this outfit's pretty cute, but I'm not going to wear it. I'm just going to wear my summer one. Anyways, so I'm going to be a baby because you get more money, and I've seen on Adopt Me that there's going to be an update, and there's going to be a woodland egg. So I need to save up a lot of money for it. As you can see in the corner of my screen, like over here, we've got, this is the bucks place where you can like buy bucks. But I've got, if you could see here, 4,289 bucks. And I didn't look at this update, but there's also a new vehicle update. And they replaced the muscle car, camper van, and some other ones with this new amazing shop. It's the most coolest thing I have pretty much ever seen. It's like really cool and I really like it. So we have some new ones. We have the aeroplane, we have a boat. I'm saving it for the boat because I can get it. Wait, 2000. Yeah, I can get it, but I'm not going to get it just yet since trying to save up for the egg. They've got this new helicopter, and they've got this helicopter which is for 549 Robux. The whatever it's called, the copter, whatever. Then they've replaced them with some new bikes. We have this new motorbike. We have this new tandem bike, so it's for two people. Then this just regular one-person bike, and then they've kept the off-roader, the regular car, and the tiny convertible, and they even have a water cooler, which is pretty cool because you can get those in your house and get water. And then here's Rich doing his amazing stuff. G'day, welcome to the finest shop in town, the car showroom. You probably can't afford anything in here, but you might as well marvel at my cars. I can actually afford the boat, you little cheeky person. Whatever, I'm just going to ignore him. He's probably in a grumpy mood right now, so let's just leave him alone. Okay, so, we've got our first task. We've got camping. So, we are right now going to go to camping. Let's go. Okay, we also got hungry, which is pretty fast for my tiger, and sleeping for both of us because we've got camping. And I'm also going to give you a house tour later, but not right now because we right now are taking care of my pet. And myself, good. Oh look, there's a banana car. I used to have one of them, but then I traded it and I've got an ice cream truck now, which is really rare. And I've also got this red, green, blue monster truck, which is from the task boxes. You get these reward boxes from this little clipboard here with your tasks. I completed a task yesterday, and my task was to teach my pet a trick at school, and he got taught this trick. Really cool. Woohoo! It looks really cute when it does the trick. Anyways, we're at camping right now. Now I'm going to put my tiger inside the bed first. Well, this dude's got a starter again. He got a puppy. I'm happy for this boy because he looks like he's just started. Especially if he's just opened his cracked egg. Ooh, Sinkabar. That looks cute. There's actually not even a point in buying the lodge, because on the side here you could there's a bed like that. You could jump into one of the beds, and then you get it for free. I'll show you right now. Okay, look. So here's the bed, and if I just press on.
Shuffling songs by Lil Uzi Vert
Alexa, stop.
on Amazon Music.
Alexa, stop. Don't know what happened there, guys, and then you can clip onto this bed right here without even having to rent the lodge, and then you can just jump out here. I've never actually seen someone have the lodge before. Did someone just claim the lodge? I don't know. I'm not sure if more than one people can rent it at a time. Or the door's locked. I was going to teleport to that person's house. Okay, so you're hungry for the tiger, and oh my god, I didn't finish sleeping. You've got to be serious. That princess carriage looks discombobulated. I'm a baby and I'm an expert driver. Did you know that? Okay, wait. I don't want to crash. Because I was actually really bad at driving, but I got better. Now I'm really good at it. So now we're going to go back to my house, and I'll give you a house tour while my pet's in the bath or hungry. Probably in the hungry and then the bath, I don't really know yet. Right, if we turn this way, I don't know if my thing's just glitched or not, but I don't know why that's there. If it's not on my house, then I think Adopt Me just did it. Yeah, it's not on my house either, so I think Adopt Me's just made it so you can't see the thingies. I'm not sure why. So I've got this Robux house. I don't know why all the walls are white. They're I made them pineapples and stuff like that. I don't know why they're like that, but okay, so we have my piano here, and I've got a sign with I stand Ukraine because everyone knows about the war that's going on. And then we've got some donuts. Why have all my wallpapers disappeared? Oh my gosh. Then we've got some water. This room's, I don't know what to do with this room. I'm probably going to make it, I've changed this wall too. I'm probably going to make this a relaxation room too. My pet's thirsty, what a surprise. My salsa tiger's very hungry. Then we've got a pool room in here, which I actually have not decorated yet. And then up here, I made a Ukraine rug with just two basic 4-book rugs. And then I'm going to make this a little chill out area. This room is my friend Darius's room. And he's made this all by himself. I didn't help him really at all. This is the pet room, where all your pets eat and drink and stuff. This is the bathroom. I haven't really done a lot to it. And then this one's my room. What the heck? My posters. What? Something's happening with Adopt Me today, and I don't know what it is. But maybe it's just every day. I don't know. And then we've got this carpet and some of these, and these. Let's get some more tasks done. So we'll put salsa in the bathtub. And I'm going to go in the bathtub too. So guys, I made a fair bit, well not a lot, but a bit of money. So I hope you enjoyed the vehicle car shop tour. And the and my like mini house tour. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.